From mall walks and shopping sprees to concerts and conventions, SM has grown alongside Filipinos. Always there, always evolving to support their different passions in life.
So it came alive because of the cosplay events na ginaganap sa mga halls nila dito sa SMX or kahit saang branches po ng SM. So yun sa pag-attend ko po ng mga cosplay events, katulad po ng mga ginaganap sa SMX, sa ibang branches, kumbaga parang yung mga ibang tao na dati hindi na-appreciate yung cosplay, parang mas naging open na siya sa maraming tao ngayon. So marami nang nakaka-relate, marami na ring nakakapag-show ng passion nila about sa anime and cosplay.
Okay, as a fan, feel ko, it's a home. It's a safe space for us na K-pop fans kasi we feel included at saka we feel na safe kami dun sa circle na nandoon kami with inside the mall ng SM. And then, dun din namin na-feel na kaya namin i-share yung passion namin and yung pinaka-favorites namin through music. So, doon namin na-feel yung inclusion, yung safe space na binibigay ni SM, which is parang bahay nga kung tawagin, home mo. So, nagagawa mo kahit anong gusto mo.
Na-discover kasi namin yung pop art and yung bago daw tong area na to sa MOA. So, syempre, kami as a fur parents, na-curious kami kung anong itsura ng place. Like, friendly ba talaga to para sa mga fur baby, sa fur baby namin?
So, nakakatuwa kasi very unexpected kasi magpupunta ka lang naman para i-walk yung fur baby mo. Pero at the same time, magkakaroon ka din ng friends.
Natuwa kami talaga kasi merong ganitong area, like merong close area para i-unleash yung mga fur babies. And then also meron ding parang poop area in the middle. And then dun sa pinakang dulo, meron ding obstacle na parang playground for the babies.
Sa tingin ko kasi napakadaling pumili ng kakainan sa SM. And kapag pumili ka, hindi lang siya bastang yun lang. Kumbaga, makakasigurado ka na hindi ka mapapahiya sa mga friends mo. Kapag sinabi mo, saan mo gustong kumain, makakapili agad sila kung saan.
Tsaka convenient ang SM when it comes to food. Madami siyang choices, hindi lang pang Filipino food, madaming parang international, all-in-one na sa SM.
It matters po kasi yung SM po nakatulong siya parang meeting grounds ng mga players na nakakalaro mo online, nakakalaban mo or nakakampi. So, nagbubuo ng team, nagte-training for preparation sa mga SM tournament. And exposure din siya kasi lalo sa esports, malaking tulong.
May idea lang na it's gonna make people want to do this. And that's always a good thing. And it's always great for the community, great for gaming, and just great for the mall. Kasi parang like today is a Friday, tapos pwedeng may event on Wednesday, may event on Thursday. So, yeah, good times, good vibes.
For 40 years, SM has welcomed fans, families, and friends, creating a place where everyone can belong. From unexpected friendships to new experiences, SM continues to grow with every Filipino. They have different passions in life, but together, they stand united by one place that brought them together.